Welcome to Johnny's World.
Hi, welcome back to Johnny's World. Here's the snow that we got yesterday. I would have never guessed in a million years that it would snow here.
So as you can see, the avocado grove, the avocado trees, they were not doing very good yesterday. Let's see how they're doing today, the day after the snowstorm. So it seems like the avocado trees kind of bounced back. Do see some dark leaves over there, but in the most part it seems like it kind of bounced back. I propped up the surprise yesterday because it was drooping, so but it's up right now. But it seems like the trees are doing okay. It was very cold yesterday, cold enough to snow over here, and it seems like the avocado trees are doing well. Let's go down there, check it out. So looks like the trees survived yesterday's snowstorm that we got. Crazy weather here in Southern California, just crazy. Never would have ever thought that it would snow over here. But here's my Pinkerton, it's still flowering. The Mexicola flowers are still good. Yeah, so it's looking okay. I think my avocado trees survived the snow yesterday. So even my seedling here, my Jan Boyce, is doing okay. It's propping down a little bit. Oh, let me see. Gonna have to get a proper support for that. But even my Jan Boyce graft looks okay. Yeah, everything is looking okay. Oh, my Forte is flowering really well right now. That's really nice to see. It's nice to know that the snow that we got yesterday didn't kill my trees. That's really great to see. That's really cool that my Forte is flowering. I hope this tree fruits this year, because I just heard the Forte is a very tasty avocado. But anyways, hope everyone has a great weekend. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, if you like this channel, please press the like and subscribe. Thank you everyone. Have a great one.